In today's video, I want to show you guys 5 Canva AI tools to help you grow your business and even scale if you don't have much time or experience using graphic designing. You guys showed a lot of love to the last video about Canva AI, and I thought to expand it and show you guys even some more tools you can use with Canva AI. We're going to get straight into it. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit like and subscribe. I'm going to do a lot of content like this, and let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to go to Canva. You want to sign in and create an account. It's completely free, and with the free version, you get up to 20 prompts a day, so don't waste them. If you want to buy the pro version, I'm pretty sure you get like up to 60 uses of Canva AI search feature. That way maybe you can do all 5 of them to the highest extent that you wanted. Getting into the first one, it's called Magic Design, and this is one of my favorite ones that you can use. For those who don't know, you can tell Canva AI to create a graphic for you, and it will literally create it based off its sense of style, or you can give it an image for you to reference yourself to. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. We're gonna go back to Canva AI, and I'm literally just gonna type in create a bold Instagram post. Teaches creators to be consistent. You're going to see that Canva AI has the power to bring a lot of these things to life. If we're seeing that Canva AI is able to put out like literally stuff for you to go save. Look at this. Consistency creates mastery. It's to create growth. These are just different visuals that you can use. With Canva, like I said, Canva is a graphic arts app. This is literally a template. Now we can edit the text if we wanted to. And if you open it in the Canva AI editor or the Canva editor, if you like something that's like a template for you, you can go in here and add whatever you want to. You can add your own elements, you can add your own images, you can add some text, you can add some photos of yourself. Like, this is really, really cool. Canva just gives you like a simple template that you can use if you just don't have that creative eye or know how to put your creativeness on the app. It's one thing to be creative, but I know like before I knew Photoshop, I knew what I wanted my picture to look like. I just didn't know how to get there. And if you want something that's quick and easy so you can focus on what you got to do and putting your stuff out and the info out, I definitely recommend the Magic AI, I think, because this allows you to just go on filters alone and pretty much get a template based off what you're asking it to do. For instance, let's say I use this one. If I wanted to, I can literally just go here, drag this in the thumbnail. Oh, there we go. Paste it over here, and then drag this box over here on the computer, for instance, right? Like, you can change up. Like, if you don't like anything Canva does, that's okay, because I don't like everything the Canva AI does. Like, I like to change it up, right, towards my style and towards what I would want. So I don't know, this is super simple, right? But just to give you guys an idea that these templates are really cool to have just a starter. Like, if you don't have a vision for what you want to put out, this is literally just like a AI vision for you. Canva AI can do a lot of different things. So let's go back to the menu. I want to show you guys a couple more prompts that we can use. We're gonna go back to home, and that leads us to point number 2, video visuals. I actually have done this before. I talked about like YouTube monetization, and I didn't know how to make a graphic for it. I didn't want to just hold up my check and you guys scan it. So what I did was I actually used Canva AI to create a motion graphic for me to put in my video. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So in Canva AI, I'm gonna go type in right now, create a animated graphic showcasing that my last video eclipsed. And what I'm gonna do, don't miss this right here, you're gonna want to actually put on code basically makes, it's the thing that it's able to make things animated. If you do a design, it's only gonna do a picture, and now it's pretty much just gonna do some coding stuff, you know what I'm saying? And when I'm trying to add things like B-roll to my videos and I want things like going on in the animation things, I personally can't I can design certain things, but there's some things that either I have a vision but I don't know how to go about it, or Canva could just do it for me in a couple seconds, so you might as well take it, right? So let me show you guys what Canva just created. 2,000 views. Thank you for watching. This is like a nice little animation, and personally, I don't like the color, so what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna use voice. I'm tired of typing. Go on voice, and you make the background colors more red, a gradients of red. Even if you say it wrong, I literally just stuttered like crazy. I'm gonna go type it in, and it's gonna understand what I was saying, you know. So it's gonna make it more of like a red gradient. Why not make it red so it resembles YouTube? And it'll update it just in a couple of seconds. There we go. So now we have this right here. You guys are probably, maybe I might show this animation in the video, who knows? But you can put it in a presentation. Now what we got to do to save is press share. We want to go on download, and we're gonna download it as a MP4 video. So we're gonna download MP4, and pretty much just download. Now we got the visual, and now it's downloaded up here, as you guys can see. So I can literally just put this in my YouTube video if I want some animations that, like, say I wanted to put an animation. I'm like, I have a vision, I don't know how to go about it. Just go to Canva, tell AI like, hey, create this visual for me, this is what I'm thinking, and boom, create this for me. And it created for me in like, what, you guys can count, I don't know if it was like less than a minute. shoot, it's pretty simple. So I love Canva AI. Okay, there's so many things you can do with it, so easy. And if you're just trying to get started with content, these are some amazing things to use. Let's go to the third thing now. Magic edit. Okay, Canva, build a presentation on 5 ways to overcome fear as a content creator. Boom. And oh, I said boom. let me delete that. And if you want to get really specific, you can put in those top 5 things from ChatGPT or even just from your inside of doing experience. The one time I've done this was just with things that I would have said, like from my experience of staying consistent. But here we go. It asked me another question. Before I get started, can you tell me a bit more about your audience? How many slides you like in your presentation? Good question. Of course. So my preferred style is going to be modern, creative, and fun. I'd love to have 7 slides, and my audience, I basically just help content creators overcome barriers in their business and help them take their next step in getting leads and getting people buying from them. So there we go. I'm just going to type that in and see what it does for us. And mind you, it's Canva. So if you really wanted to put your spin on it, you can go on like a Canva template, or you can go use anything else. But if you're like, you could do this on your way to work. I mean, come on, like using the voice feature, this is crazy. So here we go. Introduction, way 1, embrace imperfection. Way 2, break it down, shift your mindset. This is crazy, dude. It literally just laid out like 5 different things for me, and it's all in a graphic AI. Like AI is just honestly taking over the game. I'm a huge believer in authenticity. I'll be honest, I'm a huge believer in authenticity. I like to keep my things authentic. But I mean, come on, man. This is actually like, this is pretty insane. These are different templates of what we talked about. So embrace your imperfections, These are just some simple you know, things that AI created, but there's also some other ones. See, there's this one. Mind you, you're probably going to get a different result than I use, right? Mind you, you can open these up in editors and replace these images if you wanted to, because I'm not the biggest fan of all these images, I'll be real. But I mean, even something like this is super simple. You can replace an image like this for you or with you. I'm a huge believer, once again, put in the work. Don't just use AI and repeat AI. Have your thing, but also use AI as a tool and an assistant. So this is really dope. This is one of the other things I just wanted to show you guys, that you can create a presentation based off your niche. You can even record a YouTube video on that. Point number 4 is going to be AI generated infographics. So for Instagram carousels and stuff like that. So let me show you guys right now. Create a Instagram carousel infographic that breaks down the 4 elements of content clarity and someone being clear on what content they want to post on social media. You know what I'm saying? This is just something random I am trying to work on teaching in my business. And we're going to go on design once again. It may ask me another question. We shall see. Oh, it's already created them. Wow. I think if you wanted to go into more detail, you can kind of say what your niche is so it can help you out. But this is just something that I'm going to be teaching. These aren't going to be my exact points, I promise you. But here we go. So this is definitely not a carousel, we'll say. Make it an Instagram photo sized format. The Instagram size format thing actually worked. Let me show you guys. So for instance, it says 4 essentials, elements on getting clear, understand them, focus on goals. You know what I'm saying? Like this is pretty cool. This is a good template. Once again, template. Okay, templates are meant to be edited all the time. I don't stick with the template. I don't post it exactly how the template goes. This is just in case I have no creative juice to figure out how I want to go about designing. Canva can come up with some stuff, and you can always tell it like, hey, this first image right here, I like this one, but I don't like the color. Can you make this green? In kind of like a gradient of green so it matches my brand. Or you can open up an image and replace this image with yourself. There's so many ways you can really go about these type of things. So I think this is really cool. Like once again, like the Canva AI. You can do it for Instagram carousels. You can do it for YouTube community posts. Like there's so many things you can do. Just be creative, all right? Whatever your brand is, you don't have to do it just for IG. Do it for whatever you would want and be specific. You got to tell AI exactly what you want. It's going to do exactly what you tell it. Last but not least, I want to talk magic edit with image AI. So what you're going to do, once again, on this website, you're going to go to Canva AI, and this time around, you're actually going to upload something of you. So I'm not showing you guys this because it's going to be the most high quality thing, but I'm going to show you guys this because it's possible to do some of these things. So can you make the screen of my laptop have the YouTube browser open? Please don't edit my face or anything in the background. You gotta be specific like that, because I'm not gonna lie, sometimes they be trying to edit your face. It's the weirdest thing. I could really show you guys. This is what I'm talking about. Like, what? That's not even me. But look, something like this, for instance, right? Something like this. This is actually cool. Like this is actually cool. Like it looks nothing like my image, but you see how they kind of modeled the fact that I used a laptop and I had a gray shirt on and my hand to resemble this YouTube thing. And mind you, it's not exactly what I wanted, but they gave me something to work with. So yeah, these faces be looking crazy on here. I won't lie. But just like the idea of this is actually perfect. Like if I can change anything, which I actually can right here, look, if we can somehow like make this like a video editor, that would be dope. But you guys get the point. Like honestly, like to be real with you, I design thumbnails. I've been designing thumbnails for like the last 6 years, and the idea of this is really cool to me. AI is Here's the deal. AI is never gonna get things perfect. They're gonna have things like the random me and stuff like that. But at the end of the day, the idea of having an assistant be able to do these things for you in a matter of seconds saves so much time, especially if you don't get energy from doing stuff like this. If your thing is you only have 30 minutes to your day and you just got to put out something, this is such a good tool to use. And any of these 5 things, I really hope that they're going to be helpful towards you, your business, and things you want to put out there. So I'm not going to try to finagle this right now. I'm not trying to make this fancy. I just wanted to give you guys the info of the top 5 things you can use on Canva AI that maybe you didn't know about. And if you didn't, I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button and let me know in the comment section below what you learned that you can do on Canva today. If you guys want any more videos like Canva on Canva, please let me know. I've been experimenting with it and exploring, and it's honestly really cool. It's developed so much over the years, and I'd love to share any expertise or experience of using it. So love you guys so much. Appreciate you guys watching to the end. If you guys want to check out the other video about how to build a website on Canva AI in 15 minutes or less, check out this video right here. It's so fire. Check out this video right here. I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. See you guys there.